Ever wondered what the buzz about vitamin C serum is all about? Well, let's unravel this mystery together. Vitamin C is renowned worldwide not just for its essential role in our diet, but also for the magic it works on our skin when used topically. Yes, you heard it right. This powerhouse nutrient, when applied directly to the skin, can work wonders. Imagine this, a serum, light and potent, infused with the goodness of vitamin C. This is exactly what vitamin C serum is. It's a concentrated delivery system for this high-performance nutrient. But what makes it truly stand out is its antioxidant properties. These help protect our skin from damaging free radicals, those pesky, harmful molecules that can accelerate aging and damage the skin. So next time you see a bottle of vitamin C serum, remember it's not just a beauty product. It's a shield, a protector, an age-defying wonder. Now that you know what vitamin C serum is, let's delve into its numerous benefits. Are you aware of the incredible benefits vitamin C serum can offer your skin? Let's delve into it. Known for its powerhouse of benefits, vitamin C serum is a game changer in the world of skincare. It's renowned for its ability to stimulate collagen production. You may wonder, why is collagen important? Well, collagen is the supportive protein responsible for skin elasticity and firmness. But that's not all. It's a potent ally in the fight against hyperpigmentation and dark spots, helping to even out skin tone and bring forth a radiant glow. Tired of those stubborn under-eye circles from late-night work or Netflix binges? Vitamin C serum comes to the rescue, reducing their appearance. Furthermore, it's a blessing for those seeking improved hydration and moisture. It helps lock in hydration, leading to plumper, healthier skin. All these benefits culminate in creating a brighter, more vibrant complexion. Impressive, right? But how do you use it to get these amazing benefits? You may be thinking, I need this in my life, but how do I use it? Well, the answer is simpler than you might think. To effectively use vitamin C serum, you should apply it once or twice a day. It's best to incorporate it into your skincare regime right after cleansing and toning. This allows the potent antioxidants in the serum to penetrate your skin deeply, maximizing the benefits. But hold on, don't rush to moisturize just yet. Let the serum fully absorb into your skin first, giving it ample time to work its magic. Remember, consistency is key here. The more regularly you use vitamin C serum, the better results you'll see. It's not an overnight miracle, but with patience and regular use, you'll start noticing improvements in your skin's texture, tone, and overall health. With regular use of vitamin C serum, you can enjoy healthier, brighter, and more youthful-looking skin. So why not give it a try?